Hey there, Claire here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to finish your beaded jewelry like a pro. The materials I used are fishing line 0.60 mm, pliers, jump rings, pearl beads, clamshell cover, cream bead, lobster clasps, and my bead board. I'm making a 16 inches long necklace, so first I would arrange the beads on my bead board. Pass your fishing line through the center hole of your clamshell cover. Make sure the loop of your clamshell faces outward towards the end of your string. Then you would add your cream bead and you would carefully squeeze or pinch your cream bead flat with your plier. Cut the excess string and pull your cream bead into the clamshell cover. Pinch the clamshell closed. Then string your beads. You can design your necklace as you desire. Once you've added all your desired beads, pass your fishing line through the center hole of the clamshell cover and insert your cream bead. This time, pinch the cream bead as close to your last bead as much as you can. Cut the excess string. Make sure to cut close to your cream bead. Pinch the clamshell closed. Now we'll make use of our jump rings and our lobster clasps here. Open the jump ring and pass it through your lobster clasps and one side of your clamshell. Close the jump ring with the twisting method. Repeat the same process for the other side. And there you have it, you've made your beaded jewelry like a professional using the clamshell cover. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe.